Students, I'll discuss about tobacco, drugs, alcohol abuse, TDA abuse. So in this abuse, that means to put to wrong use. Tobacco, it is used by human beings. In this tobacco, drugs, alcohol abuse, TDA abuse. First one is tobacco. Tobacco used by human beings for more than 400 years. Student, another much amount of the chemical substances that are present in the tobacco, the scientific name is Nicotiana tobacum. Various amount of the chemical substances present in the tobacco, in this chiefest alkaloid, that one is nicotine. Nicotine is the chemical substance. It is an alkaloid. Okay, student. Next, when you buying a cigarette, one cannot miss the warning. When buying a cigarette, cannot miss the warning, statutory warning printed on the packet, that is smoking is injurious to health. Smoking is injurious to health. Next, mode of abuse. About tobacco, mode of abuse. Okay, administered into the body of individual. Mode of abuse, that means smoked or chewed as gutka and are used in the form of the snuff. Next, effect of the tobacco. This smoking increases carbon monoxide levels and at the same time decreases the oxygen levels in the blood. Increases carbon monoxide levels, decreases oxygen levels in the blood. It's nicotine that also stimulates the adrenal gland, which is located at the superior part of the kidney. Each one of the kidney that is shows the one of the adrenal gland. It is the nicotine stimulates the adrenal gland to secrete the chemicals, hormones called adrenaline, noradrenaline. The levels of the adrenaline, noradrenaline increases in the blood circulation. It causes at the same time increasing the heart rate and increases the blood pressure. Okay, next, smoking also associated with respiratory disorders. These are bronchitis, emphysema, coronary heart disease. What about the bronchitis? That means this is one of the respiratory disorder, inflammation of the bronchi and symptomized with excess mucus production from the walls of the bronchi and also cough and with phlegm. Next, emphysema, that means it is one of the respiratory disorder. Emphysema, in this type of the disease, alveolar walls are get affected. Alveoli present in the lungs. These are functional units in the lungs. These alveoli get affected and respiratory surface area is decreases in the lungs. Next, coronary heart disease. What about coronary heart disease? That means lumen of the coronary artery that supplies the coronary artery supplies the blood to the muscle of the heart, cardiac muscle cells or myocardial cells. Coronary heart disease. In the coronary heart disease, lumen of the coronary artery is in this certain region of the coronary artery is with the accumulation of the calcium and fat, cholesterol, like that. And at the same time, by accumulation of this material in the lumen of the blood vessel or coronary artery, sufficient amount of the blood is not supplied to the cardiac muscle cells. It leads to ischemia, shortage of oxygen to supply to the cardiac muscle cells. Muscle cells does not receive cardiac muscle cells. Muscle cells present in the heart walls does not receive sufficient amount of the oxygen. That is, the condition is called ischemia. And cardiac muscle cells also goes to die because sufficient amount of the adequate amount of the oxygen nutrient does not supplies to that type of the cells. This is the condition is called myocardial infarction. It is about the coronary heart disease. Next, gastric ulcers. Ulcers at the region of the alimentary canal, stomach and intestine. Next, increases the chance of cancers of throat and cancer of lungs and urinary bladder cancer. Student, tobacco chewing also associated with increases the cancer of the oral cavity. Okay, student, it is about the tobacco. Next, another one is now goes to drugs. What about the drugs? Which are the drugs? Drugs are the opiates, cannabinoids, coca alkaloids. These are the drugs. In this first one about the opiates. Opiates are obtained from the opium poppy plant, that is Papaver somniferum scientific name. Vernacular name is Nallammandu Mokka. Obtained from opium poppy plant, Papaver somniferum. A student, vernacular name, it is a normal name, Nallammandu Mokka. It is the Papaver somniferum is the scientific name. Vernacular name is Nallammandu Mokka. Next, bind to the receptors. These are the drugs. These are the drugs when is administered into the body of persons. Some amount of the receptors. These are drugs bind to the receptors. These are receptors present in our central nervous system and part of the gastrointestinal tract. The wall of the alimentary canal or the food tube also having receptors to bind the drugs, opioid drugs. Next, student, it is divided into opium. It is available in form of the two types. One is morphine, another one is heroin. What about the morphine and heroin? Now discuss about the morphine. Student, morphine extract from dried latex. Morphine extract from dried latex of unripe seed capsule of the poppy plant. Okay, student, poppy plant, that means opium plant, opium poppy plant, Papaver somniferum. It is morphine obtained from, extract from dried latex of the unripe seed capsule of the poppy plant. Next, student, it is available in form of the colorless crystals and white crystalline powder. Next, mode of abuse, administered into the body by the process of mode of abuse, taken orally or by injection. Taken orally or by injection, administered into the body of the person by the injection, and also by the mouth, taken orally or by injection. Next, effect, very effective sedative. Effects of the opiates on the body of individual. Effect of the morphine on the body of individual. A very effective sedative. Sedative means slows down the body functions. That is about the sedative. Sedative means slows down the body functions and also used as painkiller. Decreases the pain in the body and useful in patients who have undergone surgery. Who's the persons undergoes to the surgery? Before going to surgery, that type of that persons are administered with the morphine. Who useful in patients who have undergone surgery.